Wisconsin DNR has officially ended its 2-week effort to trap the black bear involved in the July 12th attack near Comstock. During the effort, wildlife teams trapped 6 bears, 2 males, 2 yearlings, and 2 adult sows, but none matched the profile of the sow believed to have attacked a 69-year-old woman. They also recovered a deceased sow about 1.6 miles from the incident site. Necropsy showed it was killed in a vehicle collision and not linked to the attack. With no signs of the sow or cub since the incident, trapping is over. But the DNR says monitoring the area will continue. Meanwhile, the victim is recovering well and in stable condition. Subscribe for more wildlife updates.